Hi everyone, today we are visiting Enclave at Boca Dunes, which is all ages townhomes. There are 4 different models, and this is the Bonaire, which is one of the larger townhomes. This is a very nice area with golf courses all around. Let's see. All right. This is a very nice little entrance, little foyer with some chairs. You could definitely keep your golf gloves here. And then entering the stairs, going upstairs, living room. Oh, very nice kitchen, very spacious. And this one is on the lake, which a lake right now, it's pretty low. We are in the winter time, but nice built out terrace, and that can be screened in or put privacy fence like the neighbor does. Very nice. All right. Let's see what else is here. Where is this door goes to? Oh, okay. Half powder room. And here, okay, that's the office, which would be the 2-car garage. And pretty big storage. Okay. Let's go upstairs. I really like this carpet, it's very nice. Very fluffy. All right, so we have 1 bedroom here, which is a guest. Oh, look how big. And there is a big walk-in closet there. Wow, this is a very large room. Definitely fit a king-size bed. Across from there, full bath. That's gonna be the guest. And then here's another guest bedroom, which is also very big. And nice big closet. Oh, this is very spacious. And then the other side is the master. Right here. Oh wow. So here's the walk-in closet, huge. More closet here. Definitely his and hers. King size bed. Tray ceilings, which is very nice. And let's see. Oh wow. Look at this shower. You can fit the entire family in here at once. Double sinks, separate bath, very nice. Well, these townhomes, the larger ones are running in the 400s, and the smaller ones in the low 400s. Oh, separate laundry room, we haven't seen this. All right. Let me know if anybody interested. See you guys soon.